Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. A quick little update. Want to make sure that you guys are aware that tomorrow, 30 minutes after the market opens, Jerome Powell will be speaking and I will be hosting that live stream on my YouTube channel for free. So all you literally have to do is drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So if you want to see how the market reacts to what is being said and you want to join that live stream, all you literally have to do is subscribe. I was actually thinking of hosting a free live trading session. I'll just leave it up to you guys. If this video gets over 1,000 likes by tomorrow, by the time the market opens, I'll host a free live trading session. I just want to make sure enough people show up. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. One of the things that I want to talk about is a big upswing on QQQ. So just like we expected, we were waiting for more of an indication of either a support or a break of support, right? So all of this week, really the NASDAQ market has been dropping, and we went back to retest the support level at the EMA line. Some people don't think that these indicators mean anything, but again, at the end of the day, I mean, as long as it continues to respect these indicators, then I feel like they do, right? There's no such thing as a perfect indicator, but I like to use them as a reference. And I feel like the EMA line on the day chart for QQQ worked perfectly in the sense that it sold off, it began to trade sideways for about 2 to 3 days. It was establishing a support level. We were waiting to see if we bounce back and or if we begin to pull on back. If you can't see it very clearly on the day chart, I think it's a little bit easier to see on the 1 hour. We were uptrending all of last week. We finally pulled back a little bit this week. We began to trade sideways, and then today we finally began to indicate signs of an uptrend, trading above the EMA line and establishing a support on the EMA on that 1 day chart. This is kind of like a textbook setup of the 3 stages of a reversal, with the rejection, consolidation, and then waiting for confirmation. Now, direction can always change, and this is why tomorrow's meeting is so important. For those that don't want to tune on into my live stream, my goal is always to make you self-sufficient. So if you guys head on over to the federalreserve.gov website, you guys can drop down to August 26th, and you can watch the live stream yourself. But if you don't want to watch it by yourself because trading can be kind of lonely sometimes, join my my live session tomorrow. It's free, it's open to the public, and we might even be hosting a free live trading session right at market open if you guys, enough of you, drop a thumbs up on this video. So I'm very excited for that. Again, that's at 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is 30 minutes after the market opens, wherever it is that you are. There are a series of other reports that are going to be announced as well, and that is 1 hour before the market opens. So please make sure that all of these reports that are being reported tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, if you like to trade pre-market and you see a shift of direction 1 hour before the market opens, then at least now you will know where that is coming from. So 1 hour before the market opens, a bunch of reports are going to be released, and then 30 minutes after the market opens, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking for an economic outlook, and whatever he says based off of guidance or set expectations, I think the biggest thing people want to have a better understanding of is if the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates 0.5 percentage point or 0.75 percentage point. This is still uncertain. I really don't think that he's going to give an exact answer, but I think that he can give expectations on how aggressive the Federal Reserve intends to approach these interest rate hikes based off of the recent data that we've been collecting from the previous CPI data report. To my understanding, they still are expected to raise interest rates as aggressive as they want to front load interest rates, meaning they just want to raise interest rates a lot in the very beginning so they don't have to later down the road, just to really put a cap on that inflation. And hopefully in the next couple of months we can see it beginning to actually retrace, and not just for 1 month. I think that's a big concern for a lot of people, where it showed that inflation has peaked in the month of July, but what about in the month of August? Are we going to see an uptick, or are we going to see 2 consecutive months of inflation actually pulling on back? Again, this is something that we'll cover tomorrow. So without further ado, again, all you literally have to do is drop a thumbs up on this video, get this video over to 1,000 likes, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. And I will be posting the link right before we go live tomorrow at market open for our live trading session if we get this video over 1,000 likes. Also, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, please feel free to message me via Discord, and that's that first link down below. Also, if you guys want to stay up to date with some of the trades that I'm taking, I post updates and some shout outs on my Instagram. And friendly reminder, I only have one Instagram. I'm verified, and it's the third link in the description of this YouTube channel. The rest of the Instagram accounts are all fake. Again, I only have one Instagram account. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you to everyone who came on over to our pizza party at the TechBuds HQ. If you're ever in the Arizona area and you want to visit our headquarters, just send me a direct message and we'd love to give you a free tour. Really do appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.